I will be discussing the computation of bonus on a private company or especially on a partnership organization. If the bonus is computed on net income after deducting bonus, the following will be the procedure, or I would say formula. The bonus is 10% of the amount of net income after deducting the bonus amount. So the amount of net income subject to 10% bonus would be represented by 100%, where the 10% bonus will be multiplied. If that is the case, the net income before bonus is 100, represented by 110%. That is 100% plus 10% is 110%, which is the net income before bonus. Because if the result after deducting bonus to the net income before bonus is the basis in computing the 10%, therefore, the net income before bonus is represented by 110%. And since the net income is 4.4 million, for example, which is represented by 110%, dividing that 4.4 million by 100% is equal to 4 million, which is the 100% as the basis of the 10% bonus. So the 4 million, which is the net income after bonus, it will be the basis of the 10%. Hence, the bonus is 400,000. Because 4 million multiplied by 10% is 400,000. Just to prove that it is correct, if the net income before bonus is 4.4 million and the bonus is 400,000 as computed, therefore, the net income after bonus, which is subject to 10%, is 4 million. 4.4 million minus 400,000 is 4 million. Multiply 10% to that 4 million is 400,000. This is all, and I hope I have explained it a little bit clear. Thank you.